a chupacabra. I don't know if y'all heard that. I don't know if it's a dog or what, but it's been going off for a minute. Man, look at this little Honda. So I made it to the top of the mountain, back down to the river, and now I'm on a concrete path, so I'm back to civilization. Yeah, this is pretty cool. That damn animal's creepy. Alright, I'm gonna show you a little bit more, then I'm gonna cut it off. A river? That's what it's called? No, this is in Kyoto. It was, if I remember my history correct, which I could be wrong, this was the first capital of Japan, or one of the older capitals of Japan back in like the Edo period. That's why there's so many temples and shrines and stuff here. Man, I wish y'all could see it. I know it's too dark for y'all to see it. It's in the shade, but you got little waterfalls coming into the river. It's hard for me to kind of see it because they're covered by the trees. But yeah, this is Kyoto. They have like, and one temple I went to yesterday was the oldest one in Japan. Or like I know it was the largest wooden structure in the world. I don't know if it's the oldest or not. Hey, look, a restaurant. Food. I'm hungry. Well, Bridget, I didn't know if you thought it was like wedding Mexican music, or if it was like quinceañera Mexican music, or if it was like dinner time Mexican music. You know, I was just making sure, you know, you knew that the water was a river. I love you, Bridget. I had to mess with you on that one. So anyway, I'm sure you'll comment something smart ass back. I think John will like that one though. All right, so cool. I'm gonna show you for a few more seconds. I promise it's not gonna be a long one. Then I'll, then that was a good one though. And then I'll go ahead and cut it off. All right, see y'all guys later. Peace.